Aries, hi. Welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 9 to 15, 2024. If you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see, Aries. What's coming to you this week for Aries? Your overall energy is the Five of Wands. Very competitive kayo ngayong week na to. So yung iba pwedeng literal, meron kayong sasalihang contest na pinaghahandaan nyo talaga. Because you want to prove something sa sarili mo. Gusto mong may mapatunayan ka. Some of you naman pwedeng maaring maka-experience ka ng conflict with someone. Tipong hindi pagkakaintindihan, can also be miscommunication. So, mas maganda na i-clear mo lahat, klaruhin mo lahat bago ka mag-assume. Oo, minsan kasi nag-a-assume tayo na, ito yung ibig sabihin ng other person, pero hindi naman pala yun. And the Five of Wands is also about change, breaking barriers. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, kung may mga bagay na pumipigil sa inyo noon na sumubok ng bago, I feel like ngayon, meron kang lakas ng loob na gawin, no? Kahit na merong mga taong hindi pabor sa gusto mo. Let's say, for example, gusto mong magnegosyo, tapos yung asawa mo or parents mo, hindi sila supportive or parang they feel na hindi mo kaya, pero alam mo sa sarili mo na kaya mo. So, alam niyo yun, na parang may conflict, but I feel like gagawin mo pa rin kahit na merong hindi sumasang-ayon. So, your challenge is the Death card. Ooh. Ang challenge sa inyo is the transformation or the change or the endings, new beginnings that is coming. Wow. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, andun na sa point na gusto nyong may magbago sa situation ninyo. And as a challenge, yun yung proseso ng kailangan yung pagdaanan. Yun yung challenging, di ba? Yung change itself, the transition, yung paglipat ng energy from one energy to another. Let's say, for example, paglipat ng bahay, di ba? Masaya, nalilipat ka ng bahay, lalo na kung mas maganda yun sa dati mong tinitirahan, mas komportable. Pero, yung proseso ng paglilipat ng gamit, papunta dun sa another bahay is medyo nakakapagod, stressful, 'di ba? So I think yun yung challenge na kailangan yung pagdaanan para ma-experience nyo yung change. I feel like you are open to that. You are open to that change. What is your opportunity? The Nine of Swords. Yung iba sa inyo, maraming mga tumatakbo sa isip ninyo ngayon na you have the opportunity na kalmahin yung sarili mo or i-collect ang inyong isip, like collecting your mind, parang ganon. Na kumbaga sa sorting, sinusort mo kung ito ba, kailangan ba akong mag-alala dito sa bagay na to? Kung hindi, okay, tatanggalin mo sa iniisip mo. Ito ba, kailangan ko bang isipin to? Yung mga ganon. So, ina-identify mo kung alin dun sa mga iniisip mo na nag-aalala ka, nagwo-worry ka, kung alin ba dun talaga ang may basis para mag-alala ka. Kasi minsan, ino-overthink natin ang situation. Hindi pa siya problema, pinoproblema mo na. So, that is something that you will work on. You have the opportunity to clear your head. Okay? Para makapag-decide ka what's best for you. Your blessing is the Lovers. Ooh. The Lovers is commitment. Being committed sa iyong mga gustong i-pursue sa buhay. Whether this is relationship, a career, a business. So, yung iba sa inyo, may blessing sa commitment na ibibigay ninyo. So for example, you commit yourself in a relationship, then you will experience blessing in that relationship. Kung ang commitment na ibibigay mo sa trabaho mo, you will also be blessed dun sa trabaho na yon dahil committed ka. Ano man tong commitment na papasukin mo, can be a commitment to yourself na magiging uh, magkakaroon ka na ng healthier lifestyle. As long as you are determined and committed, then you will see great results na magiging blessing sa'yo. I feel like that is also the transformation na may experience mo base sa kung saan mo kinocommit ang sarili mo. Doon ka magta-transform. So example, you are committing yourself to living healthier. So nag-exercise ka, maayos yung kinakain mo, healthy. So syempre, nandun yung transformation nun. Nandun yung major change and you will see yourself na glowing up, di ba? So money, career, finances, you have the Wheel of Fortune. Merong shift ng energy pagdating sa finances mo. Yung iba, maaring ito yung transformation na mangyayari sa iyong kaperahan, sa iyong business or trabaho. Pwedeng paglipat ng trabaho, paglipat ng department, merong kang sisimula ng bagong project or business. You have the Three of Cups. O may celebration for some of you. Yung iba, maaring may promotion kayo sa work. So that's also part of the transformation. And since may promotion kayo, so you will celebrate. So pwedeng you'll be with your friends, celebrating your wins, yung iyong panalo. Page of Cups. I think when it comes to your career or your business or your finances, inspired ka. Marami kang inspiration, marami kang pinagkukunan ng motivation mo. Kaya talagang things are moving forward according to what you want. Na tipong walang makakapigil sa'yo sa mga gusto mong ma-experience, gusto mong ma-explore. Because you feel na it's time na may kailangang magbago sa situation mo, sa trabaho mo, sa career, or sa finances mo. Your love life is the Two of Swords, the Eight of Cups. Nako, yung iba, love life ang inyong transformation. Maaring mahirap for you na mag-decide dito sa relationship kung kayo ay aalis na. But for some of you, you will realize na it's time to walk away from a situation that is no longer serving your highest good. Yung iba kasi sa inyo rito, maaring parang pakiramdam nyo kayo lang yung nagdadala sa relationship na to, na yung person nyo hindi masyado nag-e-effort sa relationship. Parang ikaw na lang yung nagpo-push for this relationship na mag-work out. So, pwedeng yung iba, na-realize nyo yan and alam nyo na hindi nyo din-deserve. No? So, if you're single, maaring you are with someone or parang merong potential romantic connection sa'yo na parang naudlot or hindi natuloy because maaring meron kang natuklasan sa person na yun or meron siyang natuklasan sa'yo na hindi niya gusto about you. Kaya parang naudlot yung relationship. Some of you pwedeng meron ditong ghosting, yung tipong hindi na nagparamdam yung person. O, Juno, partnership. Yes, so this can be a partnership sa relationship and also business partnership. Series, nurture. You will also be taking care of yourself. Yeah, look at that. Change. So talagang merong major change for you, Aries, no? Because Uranus is also here. Can be a change in your perspective, a change in your relationship. Na ngayon, alam mo na what you really deserve and you will not take anything less. Harmony. Co-creation. So, some of you, maaring may opportunity kayo na mag-collaborate with others para sa isang project or business. Some of you will also focus on meditation. Gusto mo tahimik, no? Gusto mo iwas stress. And you will find some time para makapag-relax, part of your healing. Especially if you are dealing with some problems or complicated situation. Minsan kasi, napupunta tayo sa isang sitwasyon na complicated. So, yung pag-isolate mo sa sarili mo na meditation, you are meditating, you are balancing or having that self-reflection, makakatulong yan sa pag-clear ng mind mo para mabigyan mo ng solusyon yung problema mo. Okay? Listen. People start to heal the moment they feel heard. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, meron kayong pakikinggan na isang kaibigan or someone na merong gustong i-share tungkol sa buhay niya, or pwedeng reversal yung role. You will talk to someone na handang makinig sa iyo at makakatulong yun sa iyo para makagaan ng iyong kalooban. Okay? So that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!